Manage an entire network with one keyboard, mouse, and monitor in just 1 U of rack space with the Minicom by TRIPP LITE 0SU22081 Smart 108 8-port Cat5 KVM switch. The 0SU22081 can control 8 servers and is directly compatible with both PS2 and USB connections. An optional IP remote access unit enables servers to be controlled from any location via LAN, WAN, or Internet. It is designed to ease multi-server management in data centers, server rooms, and other high-density environments. With multiple layers of password protection to prevent unauthorized access, the 0SU22081 provides secure access from every connection. If you need to control multiple servers from one console, order the Minicom by TRIPP LITE 0SU22081 Smart 108 8-port Cat5 KVM switch.